Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to make D drive default in Windows 10 so you can save your files and apps directly to the D drive instead of the C drive. Now let's get started. Step 1. Press Win+I on your keyboard to open settings. This shortcut quickly opens the Windows settings window where you can control system features and preferences. It is important because all storage and default save options are managed from here. Step 2. Click on System and then select Storage from the left side. The System section contains important settings related to display, notifications, and storage management. Storage helps you manage drives and decide where your files are saved. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Advanced Storage Settings to expand the menu. This option gives you more detailed control over how your storage is used. It is useful because it allows you to change default save locations for different types of content. Step 4. Select where new content is saved from the expanded options. This section lets you choose the default drive for apps, documents, music, photos, and videos. It is important if you want to keep your C drive free and use the D drive for storage. Step 5. Change the drop-down options for new apps, new documents, music, photos, and videos from C drive to D drive. Each drop-down controls where that specific type of content will be saved automatically. This helps in organizing your files and managing disk space efficiently. Step 6. Click Apply for each category after selecting the D drive. Clicking Apply saves the changes and makes D drive the new default location. This final step ensures all new content will now be stored in the D drive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.